Now, what do you do all need to start this business? First of all, we need the skill. Learning phone repair skill can take between 4 to 2 hours to a couple of days, depending upon how fast you grasp the lessons offered by the technicians. You can, in order to succeed in the business, you have to keen in very small detail when it comes to be repairing a handset. Mobile phones are very delicate gadgets and they need a full attention and full understanding of each and every part of that mobile phone. Secondly, you need equipments. Hardly small amount of equipments such as soldering iron, soldering paste, soldering gun, a rework station, a toolkits including screwdrivers, tweezers, etc. These almost summarize all the work equipments you are using necessary for starting a repair business. And also the cost of these appliances is also very less. Next, what do you need? You need a furniture, mere a table and small chairs for the customers who enter your shop. That can also account to about 10,000 to 2,000 rupees for you. Then we need a premises. Premises means a shop. Before you account for a shop, you have to learn where to take the shop. Like it is beneficial to have a shop in a very crowded areas like in the main bazaars or in bus stops, etc. Where the phone repair business, your phone repair shops are easily visible to the customers. And you probably don't want to get into the matters of law, so you have to get a proper license to start up your business. That's all about everything you need to start. The only thing remaining is to perform a good work on your customers' phones. However, phone repair technicians happen to be among the hardest technicians to be trusted upon. So, if you want to have a good business, you have to be honest and trustable to your clients. Honesty is the key to success in this kind of business. Be true in your dealings and let your clients trust you. You should be frank with your matters concerning their phones. Don't attempt to do anything that you can't be repaired, or since you might be ending damaging their phones and even get to the bigger troubles. So, try replacing the phones in their presence as much as you can. Some customers are very misunderstanding and stressful. You need to be high level of patience to deal with such peoples. In case the phone needs a specialized repair, always bring it to the more expert technicians so that it can be repaired properly. Also, you may need software or computerized repairs that can be done from any other shops in the city also. So this was how you can open a shop very easily.